If you find yourself getting tired too quickly, whether it's during workouts, runs, or even regular daily tasks, it's a clear sign that your body needs a boost in stamina. In this video, I'll share simple, proven ways to naturally improve your stamina and endurance. You'll also learn about some of the best foods that fuel your body and help you stay energized for longer. Tip 1. Keep moving. This is the most essential step. If you want to build endurance, your body needs to stay active. Spending most of your day sitting or lying down only weakens your muscles and weakens your immune system. Keep your body in motion. Walk, stand, stretch, or do light household activities throughout the day. The more you move, the better your blood circulation, which naturally enhances stamina. Here's a simple way to start. Try playing a sport every day. Among all sports, football is one of the best for building endurance because it engages your entire body. If that's not possible, a 30-minute walk or jog every day will still make a big difference. Eat smart to build stamina. Many people tell me, I run every day, but I still feel exhausted. The problem usually lies in your diet. If your nutrition isn't balanced, your body simply can't perform at its best. Here are some powerful foods that can help boost your stamina naturally. 1. Oats. Oats are packed with slow-digesting carbohydrates, giving you steady energy and helping sustain endurance. 2. Peanut butter. A rich source of healthy fats and protein, peanut butter supports both stamina and muscle recovery. 3. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla juice, or fresh amla, strengthens your immune system and gradually improves endurance over time. 4. Pineapple. Pineapple, or its juice, keeps your kidneys clean, helping your body absorb protein more effectively. It's also loaded with antioxidants, enzymes, and magnesium, all of which aid recovery and build strength. 5. Radish. Yes, even simple radish has benefits. Eating it 2 to 3 times a week keeps your kidneys clean and improves protein absorption. Try adding it raw to your meals. 6. Cornflakes. Cornflakes with milk and a little sugar can support healthy growth, stronger bones, and lean muscle mass. Ideal if you're looking to gain healthy weight. 7. Eggs. The timeless energy. Food. Egg whites are a fantastic source of high-quality, kidney-friendly protein. They digest quickly and help your body absorb nutrients faster. If you're aiming to build a stronger, fitter body, make sure eggs are part of your daily diet. Top exercises to build stamina. Now, let's talk about workouts, because diet alone won't get you there. Exercise is crucial if you want to eliminate weakness and build lasting strength. But here's something important. Not everyone wants bulky muscles. Some people just want to feel fit, light, and energetic. If that's you, here are the best stamina-building exercises. 1. Crawling exercise, animal walk. This is a fun and effective full-body workout. Get on all fours, crawl forward for 1 minute, then take a 30-second break and repeat. It strengthens your muscles and greatly improves endurance. 2. Cardio workouts. Focus on cardio activities like running, treadmill jogging, cycling, or brisk walking. These elevate your heart rate, improve stamina, and boost your body's energy efficiency. 3. Stretching exercises. Stretch your legs, shoulders, and other major muscle groups regularly. Stretching improves flexibility, keeps your muscles active, and helps your body sustain higher endurance levels. Stay lean, stay strong. Here's something many people overlook. To increase stamina, you don't need massive muscles. In fact, too much muscle can slow you down because it adds unnecessary weight. Look at athletes like footballers or cricketers. They're lean, flexible, and full of energy. Take Cristiano Ronaldo, for instance. His body isn't bulky, but lean and powerful. That's exactly what helps him perform at his peak for longer. So, focus on staying lean and agile rather than bulky. You'll notice your stamina improving steadily over time. Wrapping up. And that's it. The simplest and most effective ways to build your stamina and endurance naturally. Follow these tips consistently, and you'll start feeling stronger, more energetic, and more active in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more health and fitness insights.